Spin.
So yeah, I don't know about
Coming for you, Timbo.
No, I think. Oh, got on.
Down. You push the hood down. No, just a second. Yeah, hood up maybe. Damn it. Just gotta go right through that hole, you know what I mean? Like it's.
I'm bolted on. You want me to take it? I can hear it getting heavy on you. You're like, oh no.
The shoulder has to go through, eh?
Yes.
Stop it. I gotta wind it in with my hands, I guess. And then go for it. Right down, Doug? I can't. Cut my head off. Oh, I don't want it off. I want it on. Damn thing. Come on.
Stubborn.
Pick it up, Doug. Yeah. I can't. Second now. Sorry. Let it down. Take it so far. Hit it. Whoops. All right. Take the hood up. No, let it down. Let it down. Keep going down. Can you push it back? Push. I'm not sure. It's damn well not going in there. Right there.
Ooh.
Right there. Just let
What
go
was
back
that?
some. Let go. Go back some. Right there. Right there. Don't mess with me. Now, go to the back, take your rag out. Huh? That's the hood, right? That's what happens with the hood.